Hi, my name is Wayne Colonna. I'm the president of the Automatic Transmission Service Group, ATSG, and I'm also the technical editor for Transmission Digest. And I'm here to talk to you about protecting your investment when you buy a remanufactured transmission for your customer's vehicle. And most of these vehicles are high mileage vehicles. Now, the transmission may have failed because of a leak and ran low, or a part went bad because of high mileage, but most of the times it's because the customer is more familiar with driving the vehicle than maintaining the vehicle. And now something is not right and they're crossing their fingers hoping that'll suddenly just magically fix itself. But then the transmission fails. And now you buy the transmission, a remanufactured transmission, you put it in, and now you have a problem and you're wondering why. So what we're recommending that you do is to use a scan tool. Not a code reader. We prefer scan tools because scan tools give us data. It gives us bi-directional control. It can do a lot of good things for us, whereas a code reader will just pull code. Now, what we're looking to do with a scan tool, this is a late design, this is an early design. They both have great big screens so we could actually see that data. We want to scan the vehicle before pulling the transmission out so that we can do a complete health check of the entire system, because there's many aspects of the vehicle that can affect transmission function. And so we want to find OBD2 generic, OBD2 global, where we can initiate a complete total health check of the vehicle. When we do that, we'll be able to see if our monitors are run. If our monitors are run, we can move forward. Now, if the monitors aren't run, if they're not complete, if they're not ready, it could mean that someone just erased the codes, or we're losing power to the computer. And if we're losing power to the computer is going to be rebooting itself. That can cause drivability issues, and we need to get that fixed. But once we know our monitors are good, we can then do a complete health check of the vehicle. We can see what's wrong. We can fix those things before we put in the remanufactured transmission and deliver a good quality job to the customer, and we don't have to worry about that transmission failing.